So friends, let's see today's delicious eggless coffee mousse. Now here I've taken 1 tablespoon of coffee powder, which is instant coffee powder. To that I'm going to add about 2 tablespoons of hot water in total. So this is about 1.5 tablespoon. Just mix it very well till all of the coffee dissolves. And then I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder, unsweetened cocoa powder. This will really bring out the taste and the flavor of the coffee even more. And now I'm going to add the remaining half a tablespoon and just smoothen this mixture. Just mix it really well till the coffee powder and the cocoa powder really get mixed well together. Now here I have half a cup of whipping cream. You can use fresh cream too. And I'm going to add about 1/4 cup of powdered sugar, and you can adjust the sugar according to your taste. You can add more or you can add less. And now we're going to whisk this cream till it gets really nice and gets nice soft peaks. And now we're going to add our coffee powder and cocoa powder mixture to it, and again mix everything well together. Now we want this mixture to have these nice soft peaks like you can see. Now with whipping cream, it happens even faster than with fresh cream. So, you can use either of the two. And once that is done, you're just going to fill it up into small little glasses like this. And just wipe off all the excess. So you get a nice clean finish. Now this recipe was requested by my very close friend Meghna Pense. I hope this is helpful to you, Meghna. Thank you so much for the request. I hope you do try it out. Let me know how you like it. And now I'm just going to put it into a small little tray that it remains all together. And I'm going to put it in my refrigerator for 30 minutes to set. Now after 30 minutes, it's all nice and set. Now what I'm going to do is I've taken 4 tablespoons of a chocolate cookie. You can take any one. I've taken Oreo, I've taken out the cream, and I've just powdered the biscuit. And here I have just 1 tablespoon of coffee powder. I'm going to mix the two together really, really well. Now, some people like to put a dollop of whipping cream on top also as a garnish, but then it becomes too much of cream and it becomes a little too heavy. So I thought, why not make it a little different by adding, coffee powder and chocolate, powdered chocolate cookies as a mixture on the top. And then you can see that it's nice and set. If it hasn't set, then just keep it for a little longer. It has to be really nice and firm. And then I'm just going to decorate it with a little bit of this powdered chocolate cookies mixture with the coffee. You can decorate it any way you want. You can put a nice big dollop of whipping cream. And then I'm just going to smoothen it out like this. If it's for small kids, you can even add some choco chips on top, or a little bit of chocolate sprinkles. You can be really creative with this. And then you're going to keep it in your refrigerator till it's time to serve, till it's time to eat. So smoothen it out like this. So this doesn't have any gelatin, this doesn't have any egg, no, any other kind of corn flour or anything. It's just plain and simple. So that's it, guys. And now let's just dig in and see how the texture is. So I'm going to just take a nice big spoonful of it. And you can see that it's nice and fluffy and light. And when you bite into it, you get this lovely, soft, fluffy mousse with this lovely powdered chocolate with coffee. So do try out this recipe and let me know in the comment section how you liked it. And I'll catch you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. See you. This is Akshata saying bye. Bye.